This video is for you if you post content every single day, but your bank account is still red. I mean, you're getting the likes, you're getting the comments, but where are the paying clients? Nowhere to be found, right? That feeling is frustrating. And what it means is that you have a content problem, not a product problem. And today we can fix that. Now, in less than 8 minutes, I'm going to show you my exact simple 7-day content to client funnel, a predictable plan that tells you exactly what to post on Monday to get a client by Sunday. Oh, you don't believe me? Well, hit the like button right now and make sure you stay till the end because you're not going to want to miss this. It's time to stop hoping for sales and start scheduling them. Now, earlier on in my social media journey, when I first heard the word sales funnel, I pictured this massive, confusing diagram that only people with fancy marketing degrees understood, of course, which I didn't have. So I thought, me, a small business owner, how can I understand this? How can I build on this? Okay, it felt too complicated. But after a while, it dawned on me that a funnel is just a polite way of guiding someone from the I don't know you stage to take all my money, please. So you're not being pushy, you're being a good tour guide. So in this video, we're going to simplify the funnel for the everyday creator so you can stop guessing and start serving the people who need you right now. Day 1 and day 2, what you want to do is to attract. The first 2 days are about getting their attention and showing off your genius. Let them know who you are. Let them know what you're made of. All right? No selling yet. Cool down. So on day 1, this is what you should do. Post your absolute best piece of content that solves a common big problem. For example, 3 things killing your content strategy right now if you're a social media strategist like myself. So this proves that you're an expert. If you sell a product or you're in a product-based business, you want to teach them something valuable about that product. Something that your audience didn't know before now. On day 2, this is what you want to do. You want to put up a post that shares a personal story or a pain point that makes them feel seen. Let them relate with your brand. For example, you can say, I spent 3 years being so scared to sell. Now here's the lesson I learned. This makes them trust you. If you're selling any product, you can share with them the personal struggles you face behind the scenes and how you came about the solution. So your goal at the end of day 2 is you should get them thinking, oh, I think I like this person. They get me. They're getting what I'm going through. Now on days 3, 4, and 5, what you want to do is nurture. Now these are the quiet, powerful days where you prove your solution works and gently introduce the sale. So on day 3, you want to give them a piece of a solution, a very simple, actionable step they can use right away, something that they can work on and that will work for them, right? So this builds your credibility. It means you care for them. And when they get that you're actually doing this to help them, you're winning them already. On day 4, you want to show them a social proof. Now show them someone who got results using your strategies or using your products, right? A testimonial, a screenshot of a DM, or a quick story about a successful client. So people don't believe you. They actually believe happy clients better than what you're telling them. On day 5, you're doing the conversion intro using the bridge post, right? A bridge post. This is a subtle turn. This is like you're getting them gradually. So post a piece of content that shows the gap between the free advice you give, the one you gave them on day 3, and the fast paid solution you offer. So for example, you're a social media strategist or social media manager trying to sell a template to them. You can say, you could spend 5 hours doing this manually, or you could use my templates to do it in 5 minutes. Now this is your permission to sell. You're gradually leaning into that selling side of you. Now the final 2 days are dedicated to making a clear, confident offer and handling the final questions. So day 6, you're going to do this. You're going to make your confidence offer, the ask, right? This is your big, clear announcement post. So you're going to use a bridge post as your starting point, the one you did on day 5. And now you're going to make your proper asking. Here you're going to clearly state what you offer, the price, and the exact problem it's going to solve, right? No whispering. You're not going to be shy about this because you've spent the first 5 days dishing them free value. So now it's time for you to sell without fear. So if you're selling this template as a social media strategist, you can say, oh, my 7-day content planning template is now open for purchase. And then you can go ahead and add up the details about that product. Now, finally, on day 7, what you want to do is the Q&A. Take questions, right? Frequently ask questions about this product or objection buster. You want to handle hesitation, anything that will make them hesitate to buy. You want to deal with that and get it out of the way. So what you're going to do is Post a quick video or a carousel answering the top 3 questions people always ask before buying. For example, can I use this if I sell physical products? You want to answer that because people who sell physical products will be asking that questions in their heads. And even if they don't come to your DMs to ask you, these are questions they want to get out of the way. So you want to go beforehand to make sure you answer those questions so they don't have any doubts and are not hesitating to buy your products. So this is the final step that convinces the people sitting on the fence to finally make a move and buy your products. And just like that, you took someone from who is this person to a paying client in just 7 days. Can you imagine that? Now, look, you need to stop throwing content to the wall and hoping something will stick and hoping that one miracle will happen. You deserve to be paid for your genius. You deserve to be paid for your hard work. So this 7-day flow is your strategic plan. It removes the guesswork and replaces it with a simple, respectful guide that leads people to the solution, which is you, of course. So today, this is my challenge to you. I challenge you to pick one product or service and map it onto this 7-day plan this week. Then come back and tell me your results. If this simple strategy helps you finally see how your content can make you money, please hit the subscribe button and of course give this video a thumbs up so that more people in this category can watch this video and get the same value that you have just received. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.